One of the heirloom features that I'm actually particularly quite keen on is cut work. And this has that sort of look because you've got the space in between. Can I do that on the machine?
Yes, you can. There's a setting in here for it. Again, it's called fagoting, and it's very decorative. You can use it, you know, if we look on the back here, there's a different colour fabric being inset, so you can just see it through on the front underneath.
Yes.
And then this one has got a total gap. You can use a little bit of water soluble if you need.
Yeah.
But heirloom quilting, decorative work, even on a blouse or something like that, will be fabulous.
Lovely,
Yeah.
sort of simple cut work, isn't it?
is, yeah.
You've used a double needle down here too.
It is, yes.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once again, we're going into our sewing applications.
That's my little T-shirt again.
Little T-shirt. We're going to stay on the actual sewing side of it this time as opposed to the quilting side. And we're going to go through, and here we go, fagoting. So I'm going to touch that. And it just brings us up some stitches that we can use. If we look on, I think it's that one you've got there, here, the centre one.
Middle. Yeah.
It's this stitch that's been used.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
And so it is literally just a really nice way of adding a decorative edge to your work.
And
getting
this is
a very heirloom look.
You've put the fabric behind, but otherwise it's just a folded edge and
it's just a folded edge. You fold it, so you've got, you haven't got raw edges there. So you can, if you want, put water soluble underneath to stabilise it a little bit.
Okay.
And it's just a really nice way of adding like a very heirloom look to your work.
Yes, no, it's lovely. So, and you can presumably change the default setting. This is what
you can. We've got default settings here as everything.
Yes.
So it's a 9mm maximum width as per usual on these machines. We can take it smaller if we want. Take it down to 2. And then down to 7, you know, 6, 7, 8, whichever we want. And because we're going down in 1mm increments on this, you've got a really, really
close control of
what you're setting your stitches at. And again, as always, sample it on a few pieces first before you put it onto your main project. But you could put ribbon behind it as well.
You could.
Anything you wanted.
Yeah, those 3 bits of ribbon that you get when we buy new clothes.
Yes, they'd be perfect for it. Or any little
Just
scraps and strips that we've got left of fabric will sit on the back quite nicely.
But actually, this cut work is about having just a space, sort of wing needle and that sort of thing. And I'm going to look on that screen, fagoting number 2.
Yes,
that's actually the stitch that I put all my binding on with.
Oh,
yes, always, because it's very secure and it's very attractive.
Yeah.
So yes, so heirloom quilts, here we come.